Hello, Japanese two students. Before starting the review sheet, I just a little bit help when you make sentences. If the question sentences, okay, you have to prepare a question sentence and also you have the answer. Okay, so change the question in Japanese. Also, you have to answer in Japanese too. Okay. So first one, where were you born? Doko, right? Okay. So born is umareru. Okay, umareru. This is the dictionary form. Umaremasu, umaremasen, umaremashita. Okay. So were you born? That's past tense, right? So how do you write? It's a question, right? So number two. Where were you living now? So place ni, okay, the live is sumu, okay, sumu. How do you, tebes plus imasu, okay, sumu, tebes, okay, imasu. Place ni, okay, not de. Ni. Number three. Is your father working at the bank? So at the bank, ginko de, okay, ginko de, employed at ni tsutomete imasu. But this is at the bank. De, work. Dictionary form is hataraku. Okay, so your father working at the bank. Okay, you have to change it. Okay, so yes, no. Okay. So number four, what kind of the person do you want to marry? Person, hito. What kind? Do you remember what kind? Donna. Okay. Donna hito. Right? Okay. Kekkon suru. Okay. Kekkon suru. So wanted to base 2 plus tai. Okay. Base 2 plus tai. Say suru. How do you change base 2? Okay, she, suru, sure, shio. Okay, base 2 plus tai. Desu ka? Okay, so kind person. Okay, beautiful person. Okay, funny person. Okay, okay. To. When you marry, donna hito to. Okay, donna hito to. All right, number 5. Okay, are you working at the part-time job now? So part-time job, arubaito. Okay. So working, but arubaito suru. Arubaito suru. Okay. Ima. Okay. Tebes plus imasu ka? Yes, no. What do you have in your hand now? Okay. What do you have? Have motsu. Motsu. Tebes plus imasu. Motte imasu. Okay, 持っていますか? Okay. In your hand. Now. Hand is 手. In your hand. 手の. Was in. Okay. Now. 今. Oh. I have something in my hand. Okay, the answer sheet. Okay. So, do you have my address and the phone number? Okay. Address, 住所. Okay. 電話番号. This wa is no particle. Okay. Wa, o, that wa. 電話番号. Okay. So, no. Do you know? Okay, 知る is no. Okay, so ています てベース plus いますか Okay, 知る that's group 1. Okay, do you know my address and phone number? Okay, but number 8. Okay, so the answer is no. That's easy. Okay, that answer is no is easy. All right, number 8. Please introduce yourself. Okay. So 自己紹介する That's dictionary form 自己紹介する Okay? So please introduce yourself 手ベースプラスください Okay? So just introduce your name and age Okay? So who is sitting by you? Okay? So who's 誰が Okay? 座る Okay? そばに近くに隣に Okay? But そば is fine Okay? By you Okay? 隣に Okay? あなたの隣に Who is sitting? Okay? 座るね、手ベースプラスいます。So, 座る、group 1. Okay. Number 10. Is there a park near your house? Okay. Park. 公園。Okay. Near your house. 近く。Your house. あなたの家の近くに。Is there a park? What's it there? Remember? So, animate ある Okay? No. There's いる Okay? So there's an inanimate that's ある Okay? So is there? There's a park is animate or inanimate Okay? Okay? Alright. Number 11. Okay, number 11. Okay, do you write your right hand or left hand? Okay, so hand, do you remember hand? 手 right hand. What's right? Right, 右 the left, 左 How do you say right hand? 右 左 Okay, so with で Okay, so your hand is a tool 右手 or 左 So do you write? Okay, alright. So when you answer で書きます right? Okay, so what is by the door? Okay, that by 近くにそばに Okay, by the door ドアのそば Okay, ドアのそばに what? Okay, so the what means that's the animal. That's fine. So what? The who is the people. What is the animal or the things? Okay, so the things, okay, あります。So the animal, the animate います。Either one. Okay. So what in front of your house? Okay. 何がある in front of your house あなたの家の in front do you remember front? Okay, I don't say that. Okay, you find out front in front of your house ありますか Okay, があります Okay, so what is inside your room? Okay, your room あなたの部屋 Okay, your room あなたの部屋の inside was inside 何 is animate inanimate up to you Okay, so which bank do your parents do go to? Okay, the bank 銀行 Okay, okay, so your parents あなたのご両親は Okay, which bank どの銀行に go Okay, so you have to answer the bank If you don't know, you can make up Alright, good So now, number 16 Okay, number 16 Good. Do you want to live in the college dormitory? Okay. 大学の寮に okay, want to live. Okay. The live is 住む okay, 住む want to base 2 plus たい okay. Number 17. What do you want to do this weekend? Okay. This weekend. Weekend 週末週末と this weekend この週末に what do you want to do? Okay. Do is する want to do. How do you change it? So what do is group 3. Okay, how do you change? She, する、すれ、しよう Remember? Alright, number 18. Do you like to swim? Do you like to swim? Okay. So 泳ぐ Okay. So like to swim. Do you remember dictionary form plus ことが like. Dictionary form 泳ぐ Dictionary form plus ことが Remember, I like Lady Gaga. Okay. Alright, do you like to swim? Okay. So yes, no. Okay, 19. Are you still a freshman? Or is a freshman? Okay. Freshman. So this time, just freshman is 高校1年生. It's fine. Okay. 高校1年生. Okay. Are you still? Do you remember still? Are you still freshman? あなたは a freshman? Yes, no. Number 20. Okay. So have you eaten lunch already? Okay. How do you say already? Have you eaten lunch? お昼ご飯を食べ Only Japanese ますませんましたませんでした right? ますませんましたませんでした Which one do you use? The past tense ました Okay? Already? Okay? Yes, no. Yes, no. Answer the yes, no. Okay. 21. Do you like to play with the babies? Oh, do you like to play? Play is 遊ぶ Okay? 遊ぶ Okay, dictionary form plus ことが好きです I like to play 遊ぶことが with Okay? How's the baby? Do you remember baby? 赤ちゃん赤ちゃん赤ちゃん Okay? So with と Okay? Do you like to play with babies? Okay. So 22. Do you want to have a homestay? Do you want to have a homestay in Japan? Okay. So wanted to have a homestay. Homestay をする Okay. Homestay をする In Japan. 日本で Okay. 日本で Do you want to have a homestay in Japan? 日本で Okay. Homestay をする Okay. ベースプラスタイ Okay. Alright. 23. When do you want to travel to Japan? When? いつ Okay. いつ To Japan. 日本へ Okay. Travel. 旅行する Dictionary form. To travel. 旅行する Want to. Want to. So how do you say? いつ日本へ Okay. So you can use month 7月に or この夏に Okay. Or 春休みに冬休みに Okay. You can use month 5月に6月に7月に Okay. Good. So now 24. What part of Japan do you want to visit? Okay. So what part of the Japan? 日本のどこ Okay. 日本のどこ want to visit. Okay? Or 行く or visit 訪問する訪ねる okay 訪ねる okay 訪ねる訪ねる group 2 訪問する the group 3 the 行く is fine 行く okay 行く is group 1 okay what part of Japan 日本のどこへどこに want to go okay 25 where's Hokkaido do you know okay so you answer okay use 北海道本州九州四国 okay so 北海道本州九州四国沖縄 okay so you can island の北の南 okay where's Hokkaido do you know how do you say do you know 知る手ベースプラスいますか okay so where's Sendai do you know where's Hiroshima do you know where's Tokyo do you know oops so here's Tokyo do you know okay so here's Okinawa do you know do you like to study Japanese language okay study 勉強する勉強する like to okay dictionary form plus ことが好き okay Japanese language 日本語日本語 alright so this is a review okay this is a kind of summary one so you with this video you finish the review sheet alright so I'm gonna put this one before review sheet okay I hope you study this one okay so this is not the extracurricular one just for your help alright have a good day